Let's go to a few more Christmas markets in downtown Toronto. So I started with Sankofa Square. It's just in front of Eaton Center. And this wasn't very big market, but it was small and cozy. And it started snowing. Everything was looking so magical. And in this cold weather, I thought of having something hot, so I ordered a Korean cheese corn dog. Each bite was heavenly, and the cheese pull was magic. Cheese pulls like these are straight out of dreams, but it was getting hard too fast because the weather was pretty cold. I actually thought that it would have been better if I would have opted for something like soupy dumplings or something which were like warmer for a long time, and then I explored the area around the Eaton Center. I already went to Nathan Phillips Square and Distillery District, so I was wondering where else to go. So I thought of this Winterfest at Harbourfront and I just came there. Downtown was light up pretty lit. Light up lit. You understood my wordplay. Anyway, the moment I got off from the streetcar, I was feeling too cold, so I went to Beaver Tales to have a hot chocolate. I couldn't wait till the actual Christmas market. It wasn't as pretty as the Beaver Tales in Blue Mountains, but the overall vibe was still very cozy. I got the Oreo one. It had marshmallows and Oreos. The first sip was just the cream on the top, so I took the second sip way too big and it actually burned my tongue, and I confirmed at night as well that my tongue actually had burnt marks at night when I went home and checked. I enjoyed my hot chocolate, seeing all the buildings of the downtown lit up, and while walking towards the fest. Also, special mention to the staff at Beaver Tales. The cashier was so sweet. And then I went to the Winterfest and I had just one motto in mind, to have some dessert, because I was already very full from the cheese corn dog. And then I tried churros for the first time. I see them many times in many different places, but I never tried them. And the first one was the caramel one. It was ooey gooey and melt in mouth, so pillowy, oozing with caramel, and it was like steaming hot. It was freshly fried with crispy edges. It was very snackable, decadent, wintry. Like it was like perfect Christmas market food. And then I tried the other one. I also changed my backdrop because there were so many pretty places. The second one was chocolate one, but it was a bit dry. I think the guy skimmed on the filling on this one, and I wish I got the dip on the side for chocolate because it felt very doughy. But nonetheless, I was very happy in this festive spirit, and everything was looking so pretty and so festive and so Christmassy. It was just so feel good. It was another successful day of finding winter markets in Toronto. I enjoyed the CN Tower view, and I wish to spend more Christmases like this in Toronto, Canada. And it surpassed my expectation of how beautiful Christmas and the holiday season can be in here.